Welcome back, beautiful people. We're going to do the Indian Healing Clay Mask on my hair. It's a 1-to-1 ratio of the clay powder and apple cider vinegar. I'm going to use 1/8 of a cup of the Indian Healing Clay and 1/8 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Once you mix together, it does give you like this little foamy reaction. Don't be alarmed. It is normal. I promise. So you want to mix this in a ceramic bowl or glass bowl with a non-metal stirring tool and get it as smooth as possible. I mean smooth, people. Okay, look at that. Smooth. Anyway, this is the dirty hair I am working with. This is an old twist out that I've had in for almost 2 weeks. It is tired, dry, and crusty. So we're going to get started. The Tropical Moringa shampoo, just to kind of loosen up some of that dirt before I put the cleansing mask on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So as you can see, I am lightly shampooing my hair. I want to make sure I am cleaning enough of the buildup off of my hair so it doesn't make the mask work too hard, if that makes any sense. Onto the mask. So this is where I'm actually going to be scrubbing my roots for real, and making sure it gets on each strand. The shampoo, as you can tell, I was kind of just throwing it in my hair, but this is the process where I'm trying to be much more thorough. Now, I don't want you to be surprised. Even though this clay looks like it's very smooth, there's not a lot of slip to it, so you want to be careful when you're massaging it into your hair. I will say, as I was massaging it into my hair, I could feel my curls pop, like they are trying to come through. Okay, so it's time to rinse out, and this part is super important for anyone who is trying to define their curls after during the styling process. This had my curls absolutely popping. Okay, sis, popping. So when you're rinsing your hair, as you see, I'm not really tousling my curls that much. I'm massaging my scalp to make sure the clay mask is thoroughly rinsed from my scalp, because as you see, I have very dense hair, so you got to make sure the water gets all the way to your roots. But after that, I'm really trying not to disrupt my curls. So as you see, I'm really taken aback about this product because there's nothing else in my hair. Y'all saw I didn't put anything else in my hair, and yet my curls are clumping so well. And I didn't style my hair because I just wanted you guys to see how well this product works by itself without any type of interruption. But yeah, guys, this is the final look. I was taken all the way aback, so hopefully you guys have the same experience with this product, and I hope you guys enjoy.